Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this glitter cut crease with purple eyeliner in my waterline. Let me just show you. Just come a bit closer, just like that. Now this eye look wasn't hard at all, but there were a few times I had to be very steady and very careful. I didn't use that many products because I kind of wanted to keep it short and sweet, but obviously it wasn't that short. I have applied sellotape here because I do want that kind of sharpness there, but without further ado, let's get started. I'm not using very many brushes, I'm using literally 3. That's because you guys know I don't like using that many different brushes. All I do, if I've used it before, I just like, because obviously this is just something at home, it's not like I just do that and just clean my brush. And I'm sure you've seen so many YouTubers who do that, sorry, oops, and drop my plastic. I'm picking up none other than Morphe palette, and I'm going to go straight into the colour Selfie. Just pick a generous amount, and then I'm going to put it here. Just like that. I know my eyeliner doesn't look that nice, guys, but I didn't want to kind of spend too much time doing it, so I thought I'd do the eye and then fix it kind of together. It's just, I find it a bit hard to do glitter over, eyeliner over glitter, sorry. So yeah. I don't know why, guys, but I really like these warm colours recently. I kind of closed it off a bit because I know we've got a bit of a... I think I'm going to have to rearrange the sellotape, it's a bit far out. I might have to use some different one if the stickiness is gone. Yeah, the stickiness is kind of gone, but let's see if we've got on. Oh gosh, I just dropped that plastic that I picked up. I'm forever dropping things. Now I'm going to pick up the colour Shook, which is slightly more of a brick orange rather than that browny orange, and just place it here. I'm using the same brush, I've literally just cleaned it how I showed you. Then I'm going to pick up my Deluxe Crease brush by Real Techniques and just blend all of that out. I'm holding on to the sellotape only because the stickiness is gone. Other than that, you don't have to really hold on to it, guys. So I kind of keep looking over. I'm going to take a bit more of that Shook colour and just place it. Kind of fluff my brush up a bit. Like that. Then I'm picking up my brow highlighting brush, Real Techniques, and I'm going in with a Good Nude by Bourjois, and that looks like so. And I'm picking this charcoaly grey colour up, and this is going to be my little mirror. Here it is. I'm going to pick that up and I'm just going to place it here. I try not to place too much, oh god. Just like that. And I kind of do that. So if you look here, black is mainly the eyeliner, and then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and I do like going in one more colour after. That makes sense. I'm just going to get that close up. Yeah, I do like that. Okay, the concealer that I'm using is the Rimmel one in the True Match. Now I think I've already got some squirted out. So what I'm going to do is just place it like that. And as you can see, it kind of creates that by itself. Then I'm going to pick up my brush. Why is this not trying? Pick up my detailer brush by Real Techniques and just carve that shape up, just like so. There we are. Now I don't need that brush. I'm going back in my Morphe palette and I'm picking up Unique, that colour there. I'm going to pick some up my Morphe and just dab it on. Okay, now I'm going to pick up none other than my 3 Funk Glam Crystals by Collection, and I'm going to go over that, and I can neaten it up with the glitter as well. By the way guys, I try not to put, I think I made that mistake with that one, but I'll try not to put glitter on the bottom because eyeliner goes above it, if that makes sense. On top of it, sorry. So I'm not going to close open my eyes, sorry, because I'm going to let that dry. It's going to take forever to dry, but I'm going to go over the eyeliner and I think I'm going to dry it together. Sorry guys, I do go quiet when I'm trying to concentrate. I'm just quickly fix that one because it's starting to bug me now. Just want to let that quickly dry for a minute. I'll quickly peel that off because I don't need more eyeliner. Just a tiny bit more. Look at that, guys, even my foundation and everything. Just like so. Do remember, guys, I do have lashes on here, which is why it looks like it's slightly different, but it's actually not. And then, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm taking this REM bold purple eye pencil. I'm going to put that in my water now, just to give it a pop of colour. Guess what happened, guys? Just as I was gonna apply my mascara, freaking battery died. Story of my life. Anyway, basically I'm going in with the Falsies mascara. It's a bit dark in my room, so the lighting may seem a bit off, but I'm just gonna quickly do it because there's not much left of the video now. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara to the bottom. And just a bit to the top, just a tiny bit, so that you can't really see the powdery lashes when you do play your own lashes. So that is the finished look, guys. Let me just go in here. I really hope you enjoyed this look, guys. Please do give it a like, do subscribe, comment and share to my channel. Do your thoughts down below, leave your thoughts down below, sorry, and I will obviously get back to you. Until next time, see you later.